The highly contagious whooping cough is spreading around a Jefferson County high school right now.
But health experts say these students aren't the only ones dealing with an outbreak. WVTM 13's Emma Owen joining us live from the Jefferson County Health Department this morning. Emma, these outbreaks being seen really all across the country right now.
Yeah, Scott and Carla, that's what Dr. Wes Stubblefield with the Alabama Department of Public Health tells me. He says they're not just seeing cases in places like Corner High School in Jefferson County, but really in other parts of the state and also across the U.S. Now, Stubblefield says they do sometimes see whooping cough outbreaks. They're not necessarily rare, but they are certainly uncommon. As for the symptoms to look out for, he says at first it's kind of hard to distinguish between a whooping cough and other respiratory illnesses, but after a couple weeks, you'll notice a severe intermittent cough. He describes it almost like a coughing attack, and he says the symptoms can last as long as 2 to 3 months.
And we don't really know why it's going around right now. It could be just normal seasonal variation. It could be that there are a lot of people that are susceptible to the disease, either from not being vaccinated or having vaccines a long time ago. But it is something that is more serious in people with underlying medical conditions like immune compromise, and especially in young infants. And that's really why we focus on vaccination, is because it can be deadly in young infants.
Now, Stubblefield says pretty much the only way to prevent whooping cough is by being vaccinated. He says otherwise, once you do get whooping cough, it can be treated on the back end through antibiotics. Scott and Carla.